Automobile engineering or automotive engineering is one of the sub-branches of the mechanical engineering. Automobile engineering deals with the designing, producing, manufacturing, servicing, developing, testing of the vehicles, vehicle components, and operating of the automobiles. Automobile is a type of vehicle engineering. It includes the details of cars, tractors, motor vehicles, buses, and trucks and their total maintenance. And this automobile engineering offers the vehicles designing, repairing, testing and also learning safety engineering, quality management and control, and installation of various automobiles. Automobile engineering also deals with the implementation of the vehicles and their motors, creation of the new parts and their development in the vehicles. Automobile vehicles are used to transport the passengers and the goods nowadays. Automobile engineering uses the various components of the other engineering branches like electrical, electronics, mechanical and software engineering. In this automobile engineering field, production, manufacturing and the development are the major components for automobiles. These engineers are the difficult carriers for the large scope. This automobile engineering also involves in the mathematical and their formulas, fluid mechanics, strength of materials. It also involves the study of related aerospace and marine engineering. Automobile engineers are involved in the designing of the interior structure and the external appearance of the vehicles. Automobile engineers study the importance of vehicles such as safety engineering, fuel emission, vehicle noise and vibration, vehicles' economic details, timing, quality management, cost and their performance of engines, etc. What are the responsibilities of the automobile engineers? The responsibilities of the automobile engineers are: automobile or automotive engineers are responsible for the designing, developing, maintenance, production, and the servicing of the vehicles. And they implement the vehicles' production and designing of motors with the use of new technologies. Automobile engineers are also responsible for the internal and external designs and final design output of the vehicle and comfortable for the passengers. These engineers are also responsible for writing a report, maintaining the project, supervising technical teams and dealing with the clients. And also need the knowledge of electronic, electrical, and IT systems for developing the new technologies of vehicles. What are the methods of heat transfer? There are three methods for heat transfer. They are: conduction. The heat is transferred by using the solid materials, that is the transfer of energy by collision between the molecules in that material is called conduction. Convection. The heat is transferred by the gases, that is the particles moves between the objects or the places that differ in temperatures is called convection. Radiation. The heat is transferred through the electromagnetic waves, that is called radiation. Can you explain the reason that behind why big tires are used in the rear vehicles? Big tires provide a large surface area on the touching the ground because it providing the more pulling power. That's why the tractors have the big rear tires. The tractors do not operate the high speed because to get the same ground speed with a larger tire. Gear ratio does not have to higher than the because of large tires. What is the difference between BS2 and BS3 engines? The main difference between the BS2 and BS3 engines is to present in the catalytic converter. In the BS3 engine, the catalytic converter is used to reduce the formation of the HC and CO. And in the BS2 engines, the catalytic converter does not used for the formation of HC and CO. In the BS3 engines, there is no harmful emissions in the HC and CO. The emission of these type of BS2 contains sulfur 0.5 g kg, lead 0.013 g liter. The emission of these type of BS3 contains sulfur 150 milligrams per kilogram for gasoline and 350 mg per kilogram for diesel. Lead 0.005 g/liter. What are the differences between BS4 engine and BS6 engine? BS stands for Bharat Stage Emission Standards, which were introduced by the central government in 2000 with an aim to curb the pollutants emitted from vehicles employing combustion engine. Both BS4 and BS6 are emission norms that set the maximum permissible limit for pollutants coming out of a vehicle's exhaust. The main difference is that a BS6 engine requires fuel containing 5 times lower sulfur traces than a BS4 engine. Also, nitrogen oxide (NOx) levels under BS6 norms have been lowered by 70% for diesel and 25% for petrol engines. Under the BS6 norm, the limit of pollution has been drastically reduced. While the norm for NOx from diesel vehicles in BS4 is at 250 mg per kilometer, it is reduced to 80 mg per kilometer in BS6 emission norms. The HC plus NOx has been reduced from 300 mg per kilometer in the BS4 to 170 mg per kilometer, while the PM level has been decreased from 25 mg per kilometer to 4.5 mg per kilometer. For an engine to be compliant with BS4 regulations, CO+ NOx levels are 1.970 grams per kilometer. HC level is 0.20 grams per kilometer and NOx, nitrogen oxide, level is 0.40 grams per kilometer. Under the BS6 regulations, HC and NOx are calculated separately. CO level is 1.0 grams per kilometer. HC level is 0.10 grams per kilometer. NOx, nitrogen oxide, level is 0.06 grams per kilometer. Can you define BHP? And how can we measure BHP? BHP stands for brake horsepower. BHP reflects the power of the brakes of engine. And it is used to measure the how much of power will be required to stop the engine, that is to stopping the rotational of the engine. And this power is measured by using the dynamometer. BHP is measured by the following formula. BHP is equal to 2 pi times torque times RPS, 550, where pi is equal to 3.1416 and torque is measured in pounds-feet and revolutions are measured in revs per second. Or it is also measured by using the formula BHP is equal to torque times RPM, 5252.11. What is the difference between two-stroke engines and four-stroke engines? Two-stroke engines and four-stroke engine both have the same components, but don't work in the same way. Two-stroke engine, in crankshaft, one working stroke in each cylinder per revolution. The moving parts are few with the light weight. Two-stroke engine construction is simple and easily maintained, and it causes disturbance with more noise. Four-stroke engine, in crankshaft, one working stroke in each cylinder per 2 revolutions. The moving parts are more with the higher weight and larger size. Four-stroke engine construction is more complicated due to the mechanism, and it produces less noise. Can you define octane number and cetane number? And their difference? Octane number, under standard operational conditions, the percentage of isobutene present in the mixture of isooctane and heptane is called octane number. Octane number is the rating of the C engines. Cetane number, cetane is the one of the type of chemical compound called hexadecane. Cetane number is defined as the percentage of the volume of N-hexadecane in the mixture of N-hexadecane and 1-methenaphthalene, which is responsible to provide in these delay period. It measured the how quickly the fuel starts burning inside the compression engine. Octane number and the cetane number both are the standard measures the tendency of fuel to spontaneously. Octane number is to measure the performance of gasoline, and the cetane number is used to measure the performance of diesel. The fuel having the high octane number then cetane number is low, and the fuel is having the high cetane number then octane number is low. That's why we cannot use the petrol in a diesel engine and the diesel in petrol engine. What is injector pressure in heavy vehicles? And why it is used? The injection pressure is a pressure at which the fuel is inserted or injected into the engine of the vehicle. In the heavy vehicles or tractors, the injector pressure is 220 kg/cm2. Injector pressure is used to set up the standard fuel injector in the presented vehicle. And the injector pressure is calculated by using the formula is estimated horsepower times B.S.F.C number of 9 times duty cycle is equal to IBHR per injector cc is equal to IBHR times 10.5. Explain what happens when someone adds oil to the fuel of 4-stroke bike engine. When we will add the oil to the fuel of 4-stroke engine, it will faster the damage of the engine. And it affects the higher wear and tear of the cylinder lines, piston. It will damage the piston. Abnormal sounds and dark smoke is generated by the engine due to lead to abnormal combustion and knocking, detonation. So we should not mix the oil with the fuel of 4-stroke engine. Can you explain back compressors in engine? It indicates the compressive capability of engine. A diesel engine compress at the ratio of 14:1 and does not higher than the 25:1. The higher compressor will used to the better efficiency of the engine. When the engine compressor is reduced due to the deformed head gasket lead into crankcase to emitted the thick black smoke. How the air conditioner works as in cars. Air conditioners are worked based on the principles of evaporation, condensation, and then compression and expansion. Air conditioners are used to remove the hot air by the process of evaporation, and then the condensation of the evaporated air takes place, and further it is compressed by the compressor and finally expanded to the form of cool breeze. It removes the hot air and then compression and expansion.